8:15 on Saturday the 10th of July, so it's pretty quiet traffic. You can hear the birds. Just some distant traffic noise. What a difference. You can tell the difference, can't you? So today's the Tour De Brisbane, so the Western Freeway is closed. You can hear the birds. It's just silence. One thing we don't consider when we talk about widening roads is that it brings more cars, and that means more noise. It really does show you that the more traffic and the faster the traffic's going on a road, the louder it is. Compare this to what we heard yesterday. It's not a very pleasant place to be. This is actually a nice place to be when there's no cars. Now obviously we can't close roads to cars forever. That's not what I'm suggesting, but talk about how roads need to have increasing capacity, we need more lanes, we need more traffic. It's just creating more noise. So when you hear governments, state, local and federal, talking about how a road is forecast to have 30% more traffic in 10 years, widening the road is just going to make things worse. The problem is that there's going to be 30% more cars. The problem to solve is to stop that happening. And electric cars aren't going to solve it. Yes, you'll reduce some engine noise, but their tyres are still loud. So tell your governments to invest in alternatives, cycleways, transitways, busways, light rail, heavy rail, whatever. It's pretty loud, isn't it? The more that we build roads for cars, the worse things get. The solution is not to widen roads. So what we can also do is bring the city to the people. So if we know that there's population growth in an area, instead of trying to get people to be able to drive there, bring the services that people are trying to get to them. Education, jobs, retail, health. But also let's stop doing just endless sprawl. Let's build in, let's embrace density, and let's bring more people towards the city so that they have to travel less. That's really how we're going to solve these problems. Widening roads isn't the answer. Now I'm going to enjoy the rest of my ride on these quiet roads.